Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Watch OS updated and your iPhone paired. Make sure you have a passcode on the Apple Watch. This enables ECG. Once done, open the iPhone Health app and complete the medical ID. This gives the ECG app the context it needs. Next, go to the Watch app on iPhone and scroll to the ECG or Heart section. Tap to begin the activation workflow. This starts pairing the ECG capability between devices. You will now enable the ECG app through the Watch app on iPhone. Tap Heart, then set up ECG and follow the on-screen consent prompts. You must enter your date of birth and confirm health information so the algorithm can interpret results. Make sure the ECG app is installed on the watch. If not, install it here. Once you confirm settings, the apps sync. This step configures permissions and calibrates the system for your physiology, improving reading reliability. You're ready to record. Sit comfortably, rest your wrist on a flat surface, and remove tight bands or jewelry that interfere. Open the ECG app on the watch, then place a finger on the digital crown and hold steady for 30 seconds. This completes a single lead ECG. Make sure you relax breathing. Motion can distort the trace. Once finished, review and save the result to Health. If you see poor recording or alerts, retake the reading and try again after repositioning the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.